What do you get when you take Twinkl's amazing resources and combine them with Happy Teachers Academy's interactive workshops? Discover Twinkl's vast collection of resources for young learners of all ages and levels. Explore new ways to bring these resources to life on Classin. Make your online lessons interactive and engaging, turning everyday activities into dynamic experiences. Immerse your students in space and discover endless possibilities among the stars of Twinkl. Watch their learning take off as they explore, create, and interact in exciting new ways. Search for innovative ways to transform your lessons through the lens of Happy Teachers Academy. Just like a fun binoculars activity, we help you spot new teaching strategies that keep students engaged and excited to learn. Feed your knowledge like a hungry monster. Keep your teaching fresh with new techniques and interactive games, ensuring your lessons stay fun, effective, and up-to-date with the latest in online education. Roll the dice and take the next step in your teaching journey. Join our workshops and make your next lesson a memorable, game-changing experience with Twinkl plus Happy Teachers Academy. Explore new possibilities